can be brave. Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge. You make me feel so much better. Promise to love you forever. That's why I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you. Time goes by, oh precious time. Wait just 1 minute. Time goes by, I think I thought it out. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Let's hear it for our children in need. Thank you for coming out to Ride today to raise money for our children in need.
'Cause I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do.
In Matthew 19:15, we read, Jesus said, "Let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these." We are all God's children, and we as a community come here today to assist in alleviating the suffering.
Feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know my heart's on the edge. 'Cause I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you. You make me feel so much better.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming?
I wanna grow old with you. Yeah, nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answer